Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was just made a video on this exact same thing, and then I started looking at this picture they posted on Facebook, and I actually went a step too far because I had a double outline. So just type out your text, any text, Control D and make a duplicate of it, and nudge it out of the way. Take this text and left click, no fill, right click, outline. Change this outline to whatever you want the thickness to be. We're going to go with 8 this time, and I would scale with object so when you move it. Now we are in the center of the page, so we're going to take a line like we did in the previous video and put it in the center of the page. Now remember to make a copy of your text. Well, before we do that, let's convert it to a curve. And then make a duplicate of that, Control D, and we're going to move it down. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete all that. Nudge it up. Take your other text, and we took away the top, so this time we're going to take away the bottom, just like in the last video. And anything the virtual segment delete key hits, it's going to take away, so it's like miss that point because I just missed it. We'll leave that. That's good enough. Now let's take away our line and let's nudge this back down, and it appears to be okay. Now I'll tell you what, let's nudge this one up. Let's put the regular text in the center. So I haven't changed anything, so both textures are the same. Start moving it and then hold down your control button. Same thing with here. Start moving and then hold down your control button. There's that font more so like the photograph. And you can always nudge it, 0.025, let's say. 0.025. So you could nudge this down a little bit. And then and what you could actually do to make it even, here's a little good trick. Let's nudge this one all the way to the other text. And now let's grab this one and nudge it all the way to the other text. This way we're going to make them even. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your text is in there equally. Everything's in the center. And I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.